This is the ultimate guide to resolving Valorant's frustrating FPS drops that occur specifically when you press mouse or keyboard keys following the recent game update. Having personally encountered this exact problem and meticulously testing numerous solutions, I've pinpointed several effective methods and I'm ready to share them with you now. Method 1 addresses fundamental system and software conflicts. Updating your graphics drivers ensures your GPU has the latest optimizations for game rendering, directly combating frame rate instability. Disabling Windows Game Mode prevents the OS from interfering with game performance. Adjusting power settings to high performance keeps your CPU and GPU running at peak capacity. Closing unnecessary background applications frees up system resources that can otherwise be consumed by other processes, leading to input-related stutters. Verifying game files ensures no corruption within Valorant itself is causing the issue. Disabling overlay software like Discord or GeForce Experience removes potential conflicts. Finally, lowering in-game settings provides a baseline for performance. Method 2 focuses on peripheral and driver interactions. Disabling mouse acceleration ensures consistent cursor movement, preventing unexpected input lag. Adjusting keyboard polling rate can sometimes resolve communication bottlenecks with the game. Checking for driver conflicts identifies any software clashes between peripherals and the system. Uninstalling unused peripherals removes potential background processes that might be hogging resources. Updating chipset drivers ensures core motherboard communication is optimal. Running the system file checker repairs corrupted Windows system files. Reinstalling Valorant offers a clean slate, eliminating any persistent game-specific bugs. Method 3 targets Windows and system configurations. Disabling full-screen optimizations prevents Windows from managing the game's display, allowing Valorant more direct control. Adjusting Windows visual effects prioritizes performance over aesthetics, reducing system overhead. Enabling high performance for your GPU in Windows settings ensures it's always ready. Resetting network adapters and flushing the DNS cache can resolve underlying network communication issues that might indirectly affect input processing. Disabling the Nagel algorithm can reduce latency by sending data more quickly. A clean boot system isolates third-party software conflicts. Method 4 involves deeper system diagnostics and potential rollbacks. Checking for and installing pending Windows updates can include crucial performance patches. If the issue started immediately after a specific Windows update, rolling it back is a viable option. Analyzing your resource monitor helps pinpoint exact processes consuming excessive resources during key presses. Disabling hardware acceleration in applications can free up GPU resources. Adjusting Valorant's config files directly can sometimes resolve specific rendering or input quirks. Testing different USB ports for your peripherals ensures no port-specific issues are at play. Finally, diligently monitoring CPU and GPU usage while performing actions will reveal the bottleneck.